So welcome to Odd Jobs. We're going to try and take this reclaim counter and make it fit in this area. Stick around. All kinds of stuff. This countertop, very similar to the other countertop that we cut. It had a big double sink cut out of it, and we're going to utilize that. And we're going to cut it in a way that it's going to wrap itself around this sink. So let's make a few marks here. I want to go here pretty much as tight as I can to this outlet. I'm going to make a mark there. So here I'm going to put this up against the fence to cut this. So I need to know what kind of clearance I'm going to have up until then, and it looks like it's pretty good. So I can actually measure this distance from inside here to there to know how far to set my fence. I want to take it off this side. 2.5. Yeah, this is going to be fun. I'm going to set this table here just to take up some of the weight of the countertop. It's so close to the height of the table saw that it's going to work really well just to hold the weight. So I can turn that on, and I can hold it here, and I can push it, and that's my plan. Okay, now before things go too crazy, I'm going to go and I'm going to double check the measurement I need for the sink downstairs. So right here, using this square, I'll be able to measure this measurement here. So we put the square up against the top because this is how it's going to sit, 3 1/8, which is good because our clearance behind the sink is 3 1/4, but we can always move the sink back just a bit if we have to. So that's a nice straight even cut. This round part, I'll rasp it out. This is saying 21.5, and this is reading at 21 1/8. So let's cut it all at 21 1/8, and we'll make that line straight as well. So 21 1/8. We're going to have to put the fence over there because we'll be coming in on that angle. So to make a white cut like this, I have to put this fence at the 19-inch mark and loosen off the guides here, and I'm going to slide this table out so that this marker here goes to 21 inches. 21 and an eighth. Exactly. 21 and an eighth is there. So we can lock it in. So that it doesn't move. And anytime you make any kind of thing like this, measure with your tape to be sure. Because it can be off. And this one is off. It's reading 21 and a half when I needed a 21 and an eighth. And that's because the little arrow moved off. So I can push this back in here. One and eight. There. And I think we're good to go. It looks like a lot, doesn't it? Wow. We make that nice. 21 and an eighth. It's good. So I've got some nice straight edges here, and right here you can see I've got a little bit of a rough corner, but I've got a round file down in the basement. When we go back down there, I'll round out that edge and try and make it match the sink. Oh, one more thing to do, and that is cut that right there.
Which way are we going?
I'm going to make a cut right here.
Oh, okay. So.
Okay. I'm going to turn on a little light here so that I can see the line. Okay, now here. Perfect. Don't move. Thank you. Now we're going to go try that on for size. I hope it goes on the way I hope it goes on.
I hope it goes on the way I hope it goes on.
Well, no, except